Hi. I'm starting with a mention of a band I like recently. You will also learn who are the two of my favorite members. I mean, if you know, you know. Do you remember the Tart Cardigan I did last time? I'm going to use the same pattern and modify it into a long sleeve as I go. Raglan is an easy and comfy fit, easy to knit too. Also, I think it accentuates a stripped pattern like the one I have in mind. It's a bit embarrassing to admit, but this project took me like half a year to finish. In my defense, I had a lot of small knits like hats and hoods that needed to be done throughout the winter. Hence the delay on this one. I was not in a rush after all. I want knitting to be a relaxing and enjoyable creative process. So if one cardigan takes me months to finish, let it be like that. As long as I'm having fun and I'm satisfied with the result, it's all fine. Here is the progress I've made the first evening. It's always motivating with how fast it seems to be going at the beginning. So I kept knitting the next evening too. I decided to alternate between 8 rows of cream and 6 rows of yellow. And I'm using a cute color matching marker for the vibes. This winter I got into tarot. I mean, I like to make up stories and I like the cute pictures. Cards say this knitting project will be successful. That's all I wanted to hear. I think tarot is a nice hobby for a quick break from anything you're doing and for collecting pretty cards. The next day was my day off, I guess. So I managed to get some more knitting done. In my rocking chair like a proper granny. I love how mohair gives this cute fluffy effect. Somehow the whole fabric looks softer and brighter. I've just realized I haven't mentioned what yarn I'm using. It's Drop Soft Tweed in the color Lemon Tart, which is now discontinued. And the other one is Cream. Sounds delicious together. Okay, I joined the front and back. And separated the sleeves. This stitch marker makes me so happy. Now the knitting is going to be pretty straightforward. No increases, just stripes all the way down. I hope the yarn I prepared will be enough for the whole cardigan. Update after who knows how long. In the meantime, I made the collar. I decided on a double knit bump and regular 1x1 rip. First sleeve is done too. I'm especially happy with the cuff, having a thin cream stripe at the end. Looks great. Another progress update, another sleeve almost done. I'm gonna use smaller needles for the ribbing. 3mm needles and magic loop technique. I'm trying the button band the same way I did the collar. But I'm not sure if I like it. At this point, I'm already certain I want to change the button bands. It just doesn't look good. Double knit bands look so much better. I haven't done it before, but it was a good opportunity to learn. Turns out it's not that difficult at all. Holes look neat. However, the spacing of the buttons is not gonna be very even, but it's good enough. I did it, finally! Perfect spring outfit, isn't it? I know it seems like these cuffs are my favorite part, but I'm just really pleased with how they came out. And at the end, let me show you my second favorite. So cute!